Hey everybody, we're going to change the oil in the Honda, our lawnmower here. Now this one you have to tip it out so there's no drain plug. It's the black oil coming out. It's not so bad, but we figure we change it. So we do it every year. Get the very last drop out of it. So we're just putting in the new oil. Now remember to use the recommended oil in your owner's manual. And don't overflow it. It's bad for the engine. So always, if you have a funnel, maybe you can look through the funnel and see how much is in there and use your dipstick. Make sure it's on the full line. Everybody, but just make sure your dipstick shows it's full. You can't really see it, but that's it. Thanks for watching the oil change of our Honda Lawnmower. See you guys later.